Essentially what Trio helped me do is make a product that was really high quality just a lot easier for my customers to use. My name is Meredith Harold, and I'm the owner and operator of the Informed SLP. At the very beginning of what our website was, it was really like a blog. A lot of these DIY website builders offer a lot of customization for people who just need something to look pretty or need to sell a few simple products. I had all this information on a website, and it needed to be filtered more easily, searched more easily, and organized more easily so that customers could kind of organize their content. So the way that I searched for Trio in the first place is like most business owners do, is they just start asking people. Before I started working with Trio, I had no idea what could or couldn't be done. And they were really good about educating me and answering my questions. The thing that I really liked about Trio is they were really able to easily scale with me. When I needed less, they could pull back, and when I needed more, they could put more of their team. You don't have to be the project manager. So all you really need to do as an owner is be clear about what it is that you want and communicate that to the team. Since we've started working with Trio, our revenue has tripled, maybe almost quadrupled, just because we're able to provide a higher quality product now that we're able to make it exactly the way our customer would have wanted it in the first place. If one of my colleagues were to, ask me about how it is that I built some of the things that I built, I would say, I didn't really build it, I just dreamt it, and I hired Trio to build it for me. And I would recommend them to anyone who was looking to level up their website or software.